Alright guys, it's currently 11 at night. I'm still working on a video and my new trading plan. Sorry if my voice is a little weird. I kind of got a sore throat, but I don't know if you can see that. I'm trading on GBP USD. I just entered on my funded account. As you can see here, we're currently up $30. I'll show it in the trading recap, but as you can see here, we waited. This fair value gap did not get filled, so price ended up coming down. I saw this fair value gap right here. I'm on the 5-minute. Price ended up filling the imbalance, and yeah, that's our take profit right there. I didn't want to do it too low because I don't want to stay up till like 2 in the morning because I got school tomorrow, so I'll keep you guys updated. And yeah, I'll show my full trade and break it down. Trading recap. Alright, catch you guys later. What is up, everybody? So you probably just saw from that last clip, what was it, 11 at night. I was up around, at that point, in that clip, I was up around $170 in a little under 30 minutes. So yeah, it's pretty crazy. I mean, $170 in 30 minutes. But if you saw from the title of today, I'll take off these for a sec. Alright, if you saw in the title today, yes, I did lose my funded account, and this is one of my bigger losses, I'd say. So yeah, so we're gonna do a quick recap, what went wrong, how I can learn from this first funded account and take over to my next one. But yeah, let's get right into it. So as you can see, as you saw in the last clip of me, I was up $170. So basically, let's go over to 30-minute. Yeah, so I saw that price was ultimately bearish when I was trading. So my bias was bearish as well. But as you can see here, price was bearish. It still is. I marked out liquidity in previous highs and lows where price may react and draw towards. So let's go over to the 5-minute. Where's this biatch? Alright. Yeah, I mean, we were pretty down this whole entire week. Yeah, this is like a losing week, pretty bad. But yeah, as you can see here, so basically, alright, so price was down, it was going down, right? And I was like, okay, I'll go to the 30-minute for this. Price wanted to, I thought it wanted to come back here. Alright, it was gonna take out this low, ultimately come down here. This was my target. With my take profit, I ended up adjusting this. This is different. I don't know, you saw my take profit in the first clip of me trading when I was up, and then yeah, I ended up adjusting my take profit because I was so tired. In this trade, I was up first 30 minutes to $170 profit. Should have just cashed it out. It was already around 11. I needed some sleep. I've been, sorry if I'm talking all messed up. I was studying for a test too that same day, and I had like 2 tests that one day, so my body was not treating me the kindest at school. But yeah, basically, where were we? All right, so we entered, as you can see, I drew out this arrow when I was live trading. We entered here, right? We entered here. Price ended up coming down to here. This is when we were up $170. As you can see, my risk to reward was initially, we'll bring it down to here. It was right here at that. Yeah, it was right here, I believe. But yeah, my original take profit was right here. I'm pretty sure exactly right here, honestly. And then we had a risk to reward of 1 to 7. I was gonna do partial here, and then I don't know what, when I was gonna do a partial here, right? And then I don't know what was going through my brain. We ended up taking off this one candle here, brought me down, lost a crap load of money, and then yeah, we just fully flew through the roof. But yeah, when we entered, I mean, I don't know, it was intuition. It was stupid of me, but I also waited. I drew out this fair value gap right here and another fair value gap right here. I also had this, I'm pretty sure, fair value gap or something. But yeah, there was also breaker structure to the downside. We entered off a breaker structure to the downside, as well as yeah, I mean, also just gut and intuition, stupid of me, but we'll get into that later. So yeah, price ended up coming down. I should have took the partial here, and it ended up going up. It hit my stop loss, and then what did price end up doing today? Boom, went all the way where I knew it was going to go. I even drew a little circle somewhere where price was going to hit for this week. So called it, but entered the wrong time. And I think I was at school, or I woke up in the morning and this already happened. So yeah, I mean, it is what it is. We lost around, with this trade, say we lost around like $300, a little under 300, but that was enough. It was like 300, but that was enough. Well, where we lost our account. Yeah, I mean, I spent roughly around $106 for the $10,000 account. So we lost $106 real money, and then we lost our funded account, $10,000 funded account. So yeah, first funded account ever. Definitely a little bit different than the than live trading with your just regular money. I mean, it's a lot more freedom and stuff. I mean, yeah, it's just, I don't know. It's a lot different, and it gets in your head, and you just can't allow it, you know, for a change in mindset or greed or anything. And don't have the mindset of thinking, I want to pass this quick, or I want to get it done as soon as possible. Because that was honestly me. And that, I think, screwed me up the most. Like, I'm like, I want to pass this funded account. I want to get it over with, and so I can start getting payouts. It's not about that, right? Make it last as long as possible, right? Whether you're losing, whether you're winning. Ultimately, you want to be winning because it's a funded account. And you don't want to just throw away money, right? Take your time with it, right? Risk, I think, next time going into it. Also, if you were paying attention to my clips at the beginning of the video, I was explaining about my new trading plan. I think I need to update it because it was just kind of booty cheeks and it's kind of ass. So we started a new trading plan. My trading plan 3.0. I've done 3. I don't know. I've been changing it and adding better stuff each time, but I basically went through every single one of my trades. I'm gonna do a whole video on my new trading plan and how it can help you guys. Even though I'm not like a crazy trader yet, but I'm still think this is good information for beginner traders or even some mediocre, I don't know about advanced, but at least somewhere in that range of traders, it could help you guys. It's just some good info and some things that you guys maybe want to take notes on or use it for yourself. But that will be in a future video. I don't know how long, maybe in a week or maybe sometime this week, I'm not sure. Depends. Yeah, I mean, ultimately, I think throughout all my trades during this account, the number one thing is just never want to get, like, don't want to just have the mindset of wanting to get past your account as soon as possible or as fast as possible. It's only going to make you lose more unless you're some crazy trader. But from now on, moving forward, I'm going to have a set lot size, right? I'm going to go into a trade and have a already set lot size before I trade each time, making sure I'm only risking 0.5%, 1%, preferably 0.5%. I'm just gonna probably do 0.5%. And then also trading, I'm only gonna do like 1 to 2 trades, preferably 1 trade from now on. Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna go journal this trade after, take notes, what happened, what went wrong, what was my initial thought process. That's what I always do for each trade. But yeah, I mean, first funded account lost. Yeah, I mean, what happens. I'm gonna learn. Make sure I take this as a learning lesson, not just I'm making sure I get something out of this, even though I lost the account. Yeah, I'm gonna be taking lots of notes, back testing my strategy even more before I even start or purchase another funded account. But we will be buying a funded account sometime in the near future. But hope you guys enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more videos coming out. Also my trading plan video. And peace.